Hello friends, welcome back in our favorite MPSC study channel. Before starting video, first I want to say you if you study from our channel then you don't need to study separately. So please subscribe our channel for every video related to MPSC. In these videos, I am providing current affairs, Marathi current affairs, obviously Marathi grammar and civil engineering MPSC subjects. Please don't miss any single video from our channel because I am giving very important notes through it. And please like our videos and also comment in the comment box below. And please share with your friends. Okay, let's start. In last episode we studied what is homogeneous system of a linear equation and non-homogeneous system. In this episode we take revision shortly. Let's start. See, X is equal to B, where B is non-zero then non-homogeneous system and B is 0 then homogeneous system. Okay? Here we have to use rank of a matrix process. What we do for solution, we use rank of a matrix process for augmented matrix A dot B. Hence, for homogeneous system, it totally depends on matrix A because in homogeneous system B matrix is 0. Okay. Homogeneous system of equations are always consistent because what is consistency? If rank of a matrix A is equal to rank of a augmented matrix. And in homogeneous system B is always 0, hence rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix. So homogeneous system of equations are always consistent. But when rank of A is equal to number of variables, then it is consistent also, and trivial means every variable have value 0. And when rank of A is less than number of unknowns or variables in equations, then it is consistent and have infinite solution or non-trivial solution. First example, 0, 0, 0 means homogeneous system. Let take coefficients of every equations 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 4. We have to use rank of a matrix process, and we want 0 here, 0 here. For that, what we do? R2 minus 2 R1 and R3 minus 4 R1. You have to calculate with me. Take paper and pen and calculate with me. Then R3. Here we take 0 as same process of a rank of a matrix. We get this matrix, but we can't proceed for this 0 because if we proceed on this row, then there is the same problem will become. So this is our last step. Okay, then what is the rank of a matrix? Number of a row minus number of rows containing total zeros. The total zeros? No. Number of rows 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. variables are also 3, rank is also 3, then it is consistent because it is in the form of x is equal to b is equal, means b is 0. It has a trivial solution, hence all the values are zeros. Then x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to also 0. This is the second problem. What we observe? Equations are 3, but variables are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 variables. Means rank of a matrix is less than number of variables. Hence, we have consistent but infinite solutions, means non-trivial solution of this matrix. We can judge, then go for solution. What we take? Coefficients. Now we can write this row as a first row because it will easy for calculation. Okay, then r2 minus 3r1, r3 minus 2r1. Wow, this is easy. Then 4r3 minus r2. Okay, this complete row becomes 0. Hence, rank total number of rows minus row containing 0, 3 minus 1, 2. Rank is 2. Number of variables are 4. Means we have infinite number of solutions or non-trivial solutions. Now, for these two variables, we can take independently solutions. We can take independently for these two variables because two variables are extra. Then you can take any 2x plus y plus u. What is this? First equation, and this 4z is equal to 4u. Second equation. You have to select any one variable from this, any one variable from this, and take value independently for these two variables and find out remaining variables value. U is equal to k1, x is equal to k2, whatever you want, take and find out remaining value. Okay, here important note, equations will have a trivial solutions, means zero solution, if determinant of a matrix A is not equal to 0. A trivial zero solutions or unique solutions when determinant of A is not equal to 0. But when non-trivial solution will exist if determinant of A is equal to 0. Okay. Let's see. For which value k following system is consistent? 0, 0, 0. We have given non-zero values, means rank must be less than number of variables. And what we judge, if we have given non-trivial solutions, means non-zero solutions, then it will exist determinant of A is equal to 0. Take matrix is equal to 0, solve determinant. We know what we do for this. Take 2, then cancel this and this row. 2 minus 2k minus minus plus 4 minus minus plus 5k, because where we take minus sign but already minus, then plus sign, and cancel these rows. Take these rows, minus k square minus minus plus 4 and plus 6, then cancel these rows. 2k minus 4. Solve this all procedure. See the all procedure. At the last we get two solutions, these and these. K is equal to 2, and after calculation we get this value, but we don't have to go for this value because k is equal to 2 is value from our options. Then select 2. If you want how to calculate it, then copy it. The value of q for which the following set of linear algebraic equations, we have to find q. Again we have given non-trivial solutions. When non-trivial solutions will exist if determinant of a is 0. So determinant of a, solve. 2q minus 18 is equal to 0, 2q is equal to 18, q is equal to 9, and here is the option q is equal to 9. Now consider the following system of equations. 2x plus x square plus 2x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0, x2 minus x3 is equal to 0, x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. What we have given? 3 variables, okay, 3 rows, okay. Now this system has a unique solution, no solutions, infinite number of solutions, and 5 solutions. These are the options. This is very simple calculations because coefficient 1, 1, 1, 1, easily we know this row will be cancelled, and hence rank is less than variables because 3 rows, 3 variables, and these row get cancelled after judging this equation. This can cancel because coefficient 1, 1, we can easily R3 minus R2, or because of minus sign we take correct calculations, but we can eliminate this row, hence rank will be less than number of variables. So solution is infinite number of solutions, okay. We can calculate with determinant of a is equal to 0 for non-trivial solutions, and also can calculate by using rank. If rank is less than number of variable, then it has infinite number of solution. These two methods, but we can easily judge it and answer it. Now the value of lambda for which the equation 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0, x plus y plus 3z is equal to 0, 4x plus y plus lambda z is equal to 0 have a non-zero solution is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now for this calculation we have given non-zero solutions, then two conditions may possible. We have given non-zero solution since rank must be less than number of variables, means rank must be less than 3 variables na, x, y and z. Rank must be less than 3. Now and determinant a is equal to 0, but for this example we have to use rank method, okay, because it is easy and it is appropriate for such type of a calculation because lambda is here only. Now this matrix, what we do? easy calculations. R2 minus 2 R1 and R3 minus 4 R1. Okay. Wow, we get this. Okay, let's see. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 lambda minus 12. What we see, rank of this matrix will be less than 3 means it may be 2. When it may 2, then this row becomes 0. Okay, then what we have to, lambda minus 12 is equal to minus 4 for cancel these row. How we can cancel? If lambda value is 8, is this option for given this? Yes, value of lambda is 8. Now rank will be less than 3 means maybe 2. Also, if we put lambda is equal to 8, then we get rank 2. The matrix hence lambda is equal to 8. Okay. The last solution or last question. The system of linear equations. This is coefficient. This is coefficient 1, 1, minus 1, 1. And this coefficient of a z. Take correct coefficients and make a matrix. Okay. Coefficient of x, coefficient of y, when x0, y0, because in third equation only coefficient of a z has a non-trivial solution if d equals 2. We have to find d. Here is also d, here is also d. What we take, determinant of a for non-trivial solution is equal to 0. Okay, then see these calculations. What we get? 4d minus 1 minus 4d plus 1, and all these are zeros. We take minus sign common and we get 4d minus 1 square. 4d minus 1 square means d is equal to 1 by 4. D is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. These are the calculations. D is equal to 1 by 4. Okay friends, thank you. In next video we will see solution of non-homogeneous system of equations.